is Mary Egbert? Hey, that's me. I've been in the fiber industry for over 11 years and started out raising a herd of 25 alpacas. I developed a spinner's control card and booklet called the SE Twist Tool to help spinners spin a more balanced and consistent yarn. I am the author of the best-selling book, The Art of Washing Wool, Mohair, and Alpaca, that can be found in paperback and Kindle version on Amazon and the ebook on Smashwords. I have an online fiber school called the Camaj School of Fiber Arts, helping fiber artists learn the craft of drum carding, scouring, using a swing picker, and fiber prep. This is my fiber arts resume. I've taught at fiber festivals such as Pliaway, SAF, Michigan Fiber Festival, Copper K in Montana, at my local shop in Florida, and Local Cloth in Asheville, North Carolina. I have over 250 YouTube videos and over 855,000 views since 2011. I've written a total of 12 articles for publications such as Ply Magazine, Spin-Off Magazine, Alpaca Magazine, and Tiny Studio Magazine. So what is this workshop all about? Are you not getting all the correct or complete information from YouTube, blogs, or other places to help you become a great spinner? Let me help you put all the pieces of the puzzle together. Take this year-long workshop and start from the very beginning. We will start with the very first steps of spinning yarn on a spinning wheel and work our way through how to draft, tips and tricks for spinning a consistent yarn and making the perfect ply, and so much more. So here's what to expect. Each month I will do an in-depth teaching course on a topic for the month. I'll do it in such a way that you will understand the complex math and fundamentals of spinning in easy to follow terms and instructions. I'm here for you and want to see you succeed in the craft that you love so much. We're going to build a community of love and sharing. We will come together as one in a private Facebook group where you can ask questions, feel valued, make friends, and learn from each other. Each month I'll do 2 to 3 live sessions to answer questions and help those that are running into problems. My vision is a group that grows together, learning amazing techniques and sharing with each other. Join us for this epic journey and come out the other side with tons of skill and knowledge that will make you a better fiber artist. See you soon.